Welcome back to Learning Intelligence. This is video number 2. So in the last video, I talked about reinforcement learning, why I wanted to dive deeper into this subject and how I'm doing it. I showed you a basic plan which was generated by Claude. Now, of course, this plan is not set in stone. This plan changes, will probably change on the way. And I plan to document that as well. So the first phase of the roadmap was to learn the basics of RL, like agents, environment, reward, all those. And after that, directly dive into Q learning. Q learning is a very basic algorithm and a very good starting point. So the past 1 week, I was debugging a lot, learning a lot, reading a lot of blogs and watching a lot of videos. So I built an agent which learns to navigate through this grid world. Basically, you have some obstacles, a goal, and your agent has to travel optimally to the goal without hitting the obstacles, and that's a good learning for me. I learned a lot about the algorithm, read a lot. I also wrote this blog, you can see, which is pretty good. So this blog has all the learnings from the past 1 week, and it's pretty good. I would like to cover this algorithm in detail in another video. For this video is just documenting, but I'll still give you a glimpse of what it is. Basically, you have an agent which explores the whole world, does all the moves, it tries everything. It learns the good and bad in the environment through its actions. And yeah, I kind of like this algorithm because it's kind of similar to us. We humans, when we are put in a new place, we explore, we subconsciously mark the good and bad, with respect to what we want. And that's how we navigate, right? And that's what this algorithm is pretty good. So I trained this agent for about 1000 episodes. After about 800, it learns to reach the goal optimally. I have a cool time lapse of the agent trying and failing every time and eventually succeeding. So yeah, here's the video. And this is a pretty fast video. It contains about 1000 episodes and hence it's too fast. But as you can see, this is the agent. The blue color is the agent. The yellow is the path. There's also a green here, which is basically the start, and red is the goal. And the yellow or orange basically is the path the agent has taken. And the green is covered because it came back to the starting point. But yeah, that's how the agent learns. It learns and updates its knowledge about the environment. Based on that, it takes all the important decisions. So yeah, here's the green starting point. Basically, the agent has traveled all of this and reached here. That's not optimal because you can directly go this way. As you can see, after about 700, 800 episodes, the agent learns the optimal path and always chooses that. Starts from here and directly reaches the goal. So my learning process is pretty different compared to what I normally do. I'm using Claude to generate a plan, and I'm using Cursor to implement it step by step, debugging it, learning. And if I have any doubts, I just go to some blogs or YouTube videos, ask AI, and clear my doubts, learn. And this way of learning is kind of difficult. I call it dirty learning, but I think it's good. I think this is how probably everybody will be doing it in the future. Documenting it is a very good habit. I mean, it's kind of fun and I love it. So yeah, that's it.